Thank you, and welcome. As we say in the industry, newbies. So I'm here looking for newbies, beginners to this industry of wanting to earn a living working from home. But pardon me, you're here to simply use your timeline to be able to work when you want. You'll be able to build relationship or reaching out to people. If you're reaching out to people and letting them know the same ways and opportunities and unique, I should say, of earning a living using the internet, then you're at the right place at the right time. And like I said, there are many people out there, thousands, hundreds of thousands, using this same concept of earning a living for themselves, working from home, simply reaching out to others, which is to simply coach and teach others. So if you can be coachable, if you can guide others, if you can guide others, be coachable, you can earn a living by helping others earn a living working from home, simply using the internet. Thanks to the internet, anyone from anywhere in the world can use this same opportunity and work part-time toward full-time. But you earn per day, would you like 200 per day? you know so it's literally possible if you can share. I'm here to get you started from the beginning, take you from beginner's level where anyone from anywhere can get started, and even introduce myself. You could simply call me Al. That's AL. You could simply call me Al, and I'm a business coach online, positioning myself to guide others on the same concept of earning part-time to full-time income working from home. I just position myself online. You can search me online. My details are below. You can Google me. Social media, I'm all over your social media search engines, just positioning myself, reaching out there for anyone to be able to contact me so they can also position themselves and be the go-to person when it comes to working from home and doing business online. So if you can position yourself online and have others find you just like you found me, so the same way you took interest, you're here to find individuals to have an interest, of working smarter and not harder, you know 2 to 3 hours a day, simply to be able to position themselves and you know share to others, you know and let them know about the same opportunity of independence, you know working when you want, being your own boss, you know so I have link below this video, by the way. You could subscribe, you know and you'll always have more rodeos like this videos. And I'm easy to reach. You can contact me by email. you know I'll leave my details here. You could text me. You could text me, and then I'll let you know. Yeah, call me back in 5 minutes. you know and, I, don't- I did that before. I leave my number, and then you get anyone's from anywhere just calling you, which is not bad. I mean, if they're calling you for the right reasons, but I prefer, if I have a number below, you simply text me, text the word interested, you know, something like that. Just simply text the word interested, and I will get back to you. So my details will be below this video, link below this video. My details will be below for you to simply email me, get back to me, and in your email, just simply enter your name on the title of the message, your name, your first name, and interested. And below in the message box, you just write, I'm interested in doing business, showing others how to duplicate what you're doing. You can simply get started for a minimum fee of $25. When we do business online, we always use the dollar currency. Business online, we use the dollar currency. So what's $25 from wherever you are in the world? Meaning $25 is something that anyone from anywhere could get started with. Like I said, it's not a race. Wherever takes your interest. I have digital business opportunities online that will allow you to introduce others to learn the basic ways, learn the skills and the tools needed to build a business online. Feel free to get started with link below, or links below I should say, and get back to me ASAP. Thank you for being here. Once again, I'm Al. You can simply call me Al. That's A-L, Al. And details below for you to contact me. Everyone's online, doing something online. Why don't you use your time online to earn a living online? Details below for you to get started. Beginners digital work from home business opportunity. Thank you for being here.